Hey there, welcome back to the Third Eye Cyborg Channel. I'm Dan, and today we're diving into the exciting world of app development with a spotlight on two heavyweights, Nowa and GitHub Copilot. By the end of this, you might be tempted to explore coding yourself, or at least grab some snacks for the binge watching ahead. Let's start with Nowa. Think of it as your go-to tool in app development. Sort of like a superhero for developers, but instead of a cape, it features a sleek user interface. Nowa 2.0 is a versatile platform for developers, whether you're working on a fun side project or tackling a complex app. It's equipped to help you, regardless of your coding expertise. Now let's discuss GitHub Copilot. Imagine being deep in coding when Copilot swoops in, providing helpful snippets and suggestions just when you need them. It's like having an assistant that knows exactly what to provide to enhance your coding experience. Combine Nowa with Copilot, and you've got a powerful duo that can significantly streamline your development process. But there's more. Nowa's interface is so intuitive that creating complex workflows feels seamless. If you're building an e-commerce platform or any app requiring user interaction, Nowa simplifies the process. And with Copilot's integration, repetitive tasks become a breeze, leaving you with more time for the fun parts of app creation. Let's also touch on design synchronization. Updating your design with Nowa is as easy as refreshing your favorite social media feed. Make an adjustment, and it syncs instantly in your code. If your project encounters any stability issues, Copilot will offer real-time improvement suggestions, acting like a reliable coding assistant. Picking the right tool can be overwhelming with so many options available. If you're prototyping something simple, Flutterflow might be the way to go. However, for more intricate projects, the combination of Nowa and GitHub Copilot can add the flair your app deserves. Collaboration is another strong point. Nowa is excellent for teamwork, even if team members are in different time zones. Features like version management and multi-developer contributions make it easy to craft something impressive without unnecessary stress. Now let's talk pricing. Nowa is accommodating for both freelancers and larger enterprises, offering various options for different user needs. You can start small and scale up as your project evolves. In summary, whether you find yourself interested in Nowa or Flutterflow, consider bringing GitHub Copilot along for a rewarding development experience. If you're looking for even more tools, Windsurf can further elevate your app development. Get ready to create something amazing. Happy coding!